Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to add credit card or debit card in HDFC Bank without being a non-HDFC Bank customer. By adding your card in HDFC Bank, you can easily access all the information to your spending patterns. You can also set transaction limits for online as well as point of sale. Now to add your credit cards, you have to open mycards.hdfcbank.com in any browser. After that, you have to enter the registered mobile number and then you have to click OTP. After that, you have to enter the OTP that you will receive in your registered mobile number and then you have to click on submit button. Now you will able to see credit card, debit card EMI, consumer durable loan, fast tag option. Now to add credit cards, just select credit card button and then you have to click on next button. Now you have to enter the last 4 digits of your credit card and then you have to click on add button. Product added successfully. Now click done button. Now you can easily manage your credit cards. You can check the transactions, linked EMIs, reward points, card control, and you can also check the e-statements. You can also check all the outstanding payments that available in your credit cards. So friends, in this way you can add your credit cards to HDFC Bank without being an HDFC Bank customer.